Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by hearing and measuring the kick. Solo it and set a conservative gain so peaks approach 0 dB. This protects headroom. Apply a gentle high pass at 20-30 Hz to remove inaudible rumble without thinning the body. Next, choose a parametric EQ. Use linear phase if you need strict phase alignment with other tracks. Once done, sweep with a wide bell to locate dominant body and attack areas before making decisive cuts or boosts. Now you shape attack and body together. Start by boosting a wide band around 5100 Hz to add weight. A small amount often reads as more presence than louder levels. Then sweep a narrow band in the 2.5 kHz region to emphasize beater click or definition. Small boosts go a long way. If the kick sounds muddy, make surgical cuts between 200-500 Hz with a moderate Q. Make sure to toggle bypass to confirm each change improves the whole. Finish by listening in the full mix, not just soloed, and trim EQ gain to maintain headroom. If the bass and kick collide, use sidechain compression or a transient shaper to create space rather than excessive EQ. When you hear hollow or thin sound, check phase. Invert the kick or nudge it in time to align transients with bass. One troubleshooting tip. If frequency boosts cause boominess, revert to a gentler boost with a wider Q and add a subtle narrow cut instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.